these are the 6 exponential rules that you should memorize. So rule number 1 is called the zero exponent rule. It states that x raised to the zeros is always equal to 1. For example, right here, with 2 raised to the 0, that's always equal to 1. So rule number 2, product rule. It states that x raised to the m times x raised to the n is equal to x raised to the m plus n. For example, we have 2 raised to the second power times 2 raised to the third power. So that will be equal to 2 raised to the 2 plus 3. So that's equal to 2 raised to the fifth power. Okay. Rule number 3, the quotient rule. It states that x raised to the m divided by x raised to the n, that's always equal to x raised to the m minus n. For example, right here, if you have 2 raised to the third power divided by 2 raised to the second power, that's just equal to 2 raised to the third power minus 2, which equal to 2 raised to the first power. Rule number 4, the power rule. That's called a power rule. So x raised to the m and then raised to the n, that's just equal to x raised to the m times n. For example, right here, if it's 2 squared raised to the third power, that's just equal to 2 raised to the 2 times 3, which equal 2 to the 6th power. Okay. Now this important rule you should remember. Rule number 5, the negative exponent rule. It stated that if you have x raised to the negative m is equal to, you can rewrite that as 1 over x raised to the m. For example, right here, if you have 2 raised to the negative 2, that's going to be equal to 1 over 2 squared, which are equal to 1 over 4. Okay. Now there's another one right here too. If you have the base, you have the base as a fraction. For example, right here, if you have a divided by b, the whole thing raised to the negative m, all you need to do is just use a reciprocal of the fraction, so you can flip the fraction around. The base right here would be so equal to b over a raised to the m power. So for example, would be if you have 2 divided by 3 raised to the negative 2, you can rewrite that as 3 over 2 raised to the 2. The second power, just equal to 3 squared divided by 2 squared, which equal to 9 over 4. Okay. Now, rule number 6. This is also an important rule. This is called a fractional exponent rule. This is when you have the exponent as when the exponent is a fraction, basically. So if x raised to the m divided by n, you can rewrite this. As the n root of m raised to the m, or you can rewrite this way too. You can say the n root of x, the whole thing raised to the m. This is all the same thing right here. You can so this 3 all the same. So for example, right here, if you have x, for example, if you have 2 raised to the 2/3, okay, you can rewrite that as so that the cube root of you bring out that, so that will be the cube root of 2 raised to the second power, or you can rewrite that as the cube root of x and the whole thing raised to, not x, the cube root of so that would be the cube root of 2, and then the whole thing raised to the second power. Okay, so that all these three mean the same thing. So you should remember the 6 rules right here of exponent. So thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.